Well, we decided to join the training just because I felt that we had a little bit of knowledge gap. And so this was able to fill that and then also have the confidence that someone had been there before.
I sort of felt like I was in a knowledge vacuum. I didn't really know kind of what to do next to grow my store. And I really kind of felt like, honestly, I was out on an island just working all by myself.
Dropship Breakthru is a phenomenal course. The depth of material that they go into is nothing like any other course that I've seen.
This course is a step-by-step guide to building your company and your pathway to success and freedom.
I describe this program as it's all in one. It's everything you need to get started. And then two, the leadership and the coaching pairs perfectly with it.
You know, you make that first sale, you see the cha-ching, and you know, I don't think it matters how much profit you made, it's just that the concept works.
Being able to hear how people had exited their business and then what they're doing now as well. So even if you are seasoned and you're killing it, at least it gives you options of how do you want to deploy your capital, or what do you want to do if you want to sell, and what's the next step after that. So it seems to be a variety buffet for everybody.
Yeah, all stages.
And honestly, almost from the beginning of joining the group, moving along, and then all of a sudden, whoosh, sales are just going up and up and up. So to the point where I'm basically at this stage compared to when I started, 3x my monthly revenue.
The community is a big deal. I can't kind of stress enough like how much that brings together everybody. You can do it yourself, which is great. You can follow a program, which is great. But if you want to progress really in any kind of like thing that you're doing, when you join a community, that's what's really going to be the next piece of what you're trying to do.
It's a great program. I've never been to a live event, so that's something to note as well. It's a live event here. These guys clearly care about their clients. They want to see us all succeed.
The other great thing about being in this program is you have people from all over the world. So when I'm sleeping, somebody already answered my question and vice versa. So it's a constant communication and community.
What I like about the group is they are so knowledgeable and they're always there for you through the Slack channel, through the Facebook group, the coaching calls. If you have a question, they're very quick to respond.
Anyone is a great fit for this training. I really think that because the course is so easy to follow, that anybody can do it. Dropship Breakthru is the best thing that ever happened to me.
Absolutely life-changing. It's been very profound.
Dropship Breakthru!